strawberries. You want to put the strawberries? With the strawberries in here, Joshua is going to pick. Here, you need the scissor, Josh. Picking some blueberries too. So it's like red and blue. It's the end of the blueberry season. Let's get the rosemary here. And our garden pickings. These are the vegetables that we harvested from the garden. Tomatoes, blueberries, strawberries, and then the herbs are rosemary for the steak, and then basil for the tomato salad, and then chives for the baked potatoes. I'm baking some potatoes, and then I'm going to grill the steak. These are porterhouse steak, our favorite. We like porterhouse and ribeye steak, and these are going to be our July 4th lunch. So I'm going to grill this indoor because it's so hot outside. I am going to bake potatoes. Potato. Potato. So just rub it with oil and then salt it. I'm using sea salt, Celtic sea salt from Ireland. And then I'm not going to wrap this in aluminum foil. I'll just put this in the oven, 350-degree preheated oven for about an hour. These are the porterhouse steak. They look very, very good. And just need to grill them on a very hot, like cast iron grill pan. I don't know what it's called. Has to be really, really hot so the juice would not come out. Also, do not put salt until later. This is hot enough. So just then I'm going to put the rosemary that we picked from the garden on top. Okay. Let's just say this for now. And put this on the other side. Look at that. While the steak is cooking, I'm going to prepare the tomatoes. These are the same varieties that I have been like preparing in recently, except for this one. This is new. This is the first one from like this plant. This is Genovese. Like it's an Italian tomato. So I'll just prepare this like a salad with olive oil and salt. Oh, so this one, they look a little sad because it's so hot outside. So I just like cook them. The steak is still very loud. I already turn it off. I am preparing these tomatoes and as a side dish. So we have potatoes, tomatoes, and watermelon for our side dish for the steak. Now I need to slice the oh, by the way, those paintings, I painted those. Watermelon, we are growing all of them in the garden. So we have the watermelon, like the peach, we have two peach trees, the donut peach and then the red baron. And then we have 4 blueberry bushes, like 3 varieties. And then 3 varieties, like 2 varieties with 2 plants. And then the lemon. We have how many lemon trees? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 lemon trees. So we have 2 Eureka, we have Yuzu lemon, and we have Meyer lemon. It's time to move this. There's like juice on top, so I'll just leave the juice there. And should I leave the juice? Maybe no. Go. Move the other one too. So the steak is ready. Just need to prepare the watermelon. This is store-bought watermelon. When you buy watermelon or cantaloupe, make sure you wash the outside thoroughly because sometimes they have like salmonella. I'm not good at like slicing watermelon.
There you go. That's what I can do. Birthday.
So here you go. Nothing says summer more than like watermelon. Very, very refreshing during summer. Watermelon is ready too. Now the potatoes. Beautiful watermelon. Potatoes are ready. Oh, it's hot too. Perfect. And then just squeeze both ends. Oh, it's very hot. And I need a cheese. Is it cheese first or butter first? Cheese. And then butter. And then sour cream. Just have the butter melt. Same thing here. Oh my god, it's hot. To press both ends. There you go. Same thing with this one. Just press both ends. Cheese. And then butter too. I need the cheese to melt. The chives from the garden. So just snip some chives there. Same on this one. And then on this one too. There you go. And this is what we're having. Tablas Creek Esprit. Very good. So this one, Tablas Creek. They have organic wines. And then Joshua is going to have water. I'll put lemon since he likes lemon. And then a slice of lemon. And our 4th of July lunch is ready. We have baked potatoes, watermelon, and the tomatoes from the garden, porterhouse steak with rosemary from the garden, and the flowers are also from the garden.
So here we have watermelon, steak, tomatoes, baked potatoes maybe. I mean baked potatoes?
Yes, that's right, baked potatoes. What are we celebrating?
Happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, views and you too, Mommy.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy
What were you saying earlier? Can you sing it?
God bless America. God bless America. Our home, sweet home.
Very nice. So here is our 4th of July lunch. And happy 4th everyone. Thank you so much for watching.
I'm ready to see watermelon.
Yeah, why did you eat the watermelon first? You have to eat the steak and the potatoes and the tomatoes first. The watermelon should be the last one. But anyway, say thank you so much for watching.
Thank you, America.
For giving us the opportunity to call this our home sweet home.
And to enjoy living here.
Yes. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button and subscribe, and we hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Bye for now, and happy
4th.
Happy 4th of July. Have a great happy 4th of July.
Yay.